The extension table provides added sewing surface and can be easily removed for free arm sewing. To detach the table, pull the table away from the machine. The free arm is useful for sewing tubular garments and for darning knee or elbow areas. To put the extension table back in place, slide the extension table along the free arm and insert the guides into the holes until the table snaps into the machine. Accessories are stored inside the extension table. To store the extra spool pin, insert the pin into the hole. Then, place the extra spool pin into the accessory storage and push the pin with your finger until it snaps.